I am Jenn Outram. This is Kelsey Outram. We run Lyft Auto Repair Marketing, and we are niche to auto repair shops.
In terms of our niche agency, we were honestly at zero. We didn't have a niche agency. It was a general marketing agency, doing a little over 10K a month. And then now, in current time, we just closed February about around 110K in MRR for auto repair.
Before joining the seven-figure agency, we were struggling with getting new clients. We didn't know who to go after because we weren't in a certain niche at all. So when we joined seven-figure agency, it was nice to have a clear path of having a niche and then going after those clients in that niche. And joining a seven-figure agency helped that and helped us gain new clients and be able to scale.
Well, in terms of life now, obviously with more financial means, it's allowed more time flexibility, and we're able to go on a lot more vacations with our children, and we're actually moving closer to our extended family as well. So yeah, having all these additional means makes things a lot easier for us.
Wow, there's been so many things that we've implemented since joining seven-figure agency. We've implemented webinars, monthly webinars. We've implemented a podcast. We've implemented the Dream 100. We've just done so many things. Like everything that Josh Nelson teaches us, we've implemented. So everything's been helpful and everything's just helped us grow significantly.
I would say to them, stop thinking and just do it. Just take action and take the leap of faith in terms of joining the agency, because it definitely changed the whole trajectory of what we thought our marketing business could be.